U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken has said the United States has found evidence of China's attempt to influence and arguably interfere in the upcoming U.S. election. Blinken said he echoed U.S. President Joe Biden's message to China's leader Xi Jinping during their summit in San Francisco last November that China should not interfere in the 2024 U.S. presidential election. At the time, Xi Jinping vowed that China would not do so. Meanwhile, Beijing has repeatedly stated that it does not interfere in the U.S. elections based on its principle of non-interference in other countries' internal affairs. During his visit to China, Blinken reportedly confirmed the White House's readiness to impose new sanction on Beijing if it continues to support Russia in its full-scale war against Ukraine. In addition, he urged the Chinese authorities to ensure a level playing field for American businesses.
1-2-3 ঢাকায় জমি জিতে নিন 100% ক্যাশব্যাক সহ 20 কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।